Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, often referred to as Bangobondo, Friend of Bengal, was a prominent leader and the founding father of Bangladesh. His story is one of resilience, courage, and unwavering dedication to the cause of independence and the welfare of his people. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on March 17, 1920, in Tungipara, a village in what was then British India and is now Bangladesh. From a young age, he showed leadership qualities and a deep sense of empathy towards the struggles of his fellow countrymen. During the partition of India in 1947, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman actively participated in the political movements that sought to protect the rights and interests of the Bengali population. He became a key figure in the Awami Muslim League, a political party that advocated for the rights of Bengalis in a united Pakistan. Over the years, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's political influence grew, and he emerged as the voice of the Bengali people. He passionately championed their rights, advocating for greater autonomy and regional self-governance within a federal framework. However, his demands for a fair and just treatment of Bengalis were met with resistance from the ruling elite in West Pakistan. In 1970, a cyclone devastated Bangladesh, followed by a severe famine, exacerbating the suffering of the already impoverished Bengali population. As the leader of the Awami League, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman fervently campaigned for relief efforts and assistance from the central government. However, his pleas fell on deaf ears, further fueling the sense of alienation among Bengalis. The year 1971 marked a turning point in Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's life and the history of Bangladesh. The general elections were held, and the Awami League emerged as the majority party, securing a clear mandate to govern. However, the ruling authorities in West Pakistan refused to hand over power to the elected leaders, triggering widespread protests and civil unrest. On March 7, 1971, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman delivered a historic speech at the racecourse ground in Dhaka, now known as the March 7th speech or the Declaration of Independence. In his powerful address, he called upon the people of Bangladesh to fight for their freedom and declared, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle is for our independence." The Pakistani regime responded with brutal force, launching a military crackdown on the Bengali population. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman went into hiding to continue leading the liberation movement from underground. On March 26, 1971, he officially declared the independence of Bangladesh, and the country plunged into a bloody war for liberation. Throughout the war, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's leadership and determination inspired millions of Bangladeshis to join the fight for independence. His vision of an independent, sovereign nation fueled their resilience and determination to resist oppression. After 9 months of intense fighting, Bangladesh achieved victory on December 16, 1971, marking the birth of a new nation. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman returned to Bangladesh as a revered leader, now bearing the title of Bangobondo, the father of the nation. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a mischievous yet lovable cat named Whiskers. Whiskers was known throughout the neighborhood for his playful antics and captivating green eyes that sparkled like emeralds. Whiskers had a cozy home with his human, Sarah, who adored him dearly. Their bond was unbreakable, and they spent countless hours together, playing games, cuddling, and sharing secrets. Whiskers was Sarah's loyal companion, bringing joy and laughter to their lives. One sunny morning, as Whiskers strolled through the streets, he noticed a commotion near the park. Curiosity piqued. He ventured closer and discovered a group of stray cats in need of help. Their weary eyes and unkempt fur tugged at Whiskers' compassionate heart. Without hesitation, Whiskers decided to take action. He rallied the neighborhood cats, forging a feline community bound by kindness and support. Together, they built a makeshift shelter in an abandoned building where the stray cats could find refuge, warmth, and a sense of belonging. Whiskers took charge of the operation, organizing food drives and seeking donations from kind-hearted humans in the town. His charm and charisma won the hearts of many, and soon the entire community rallied behind the cause. They recognized Whiskers' unwavering determination to make a difference. As the days went by, the shelter flourished. The once desolate building transformed into a safe haven for the stray cats, filled with love and care. Whiskers and his feline friends formed tight-knit bonds, offering each other comfort and companionship. News of Whiskers' efforts spread far and wide, capturing the attention of a renowned animal welfare organization. Impressed by Whiskers' dedication and the positive impact he had made, they decided to support his cause. With their help, the shelter received proper funding, medical care, and expert guidance to ensure the cats thrived. Whiskers became a local celebrity, the face of compassion and empathy. His story touched the hearts of people everywhere, inspiring them to extend a helping hand to animals in need. The town's children even created drawings and wrote heartwarming stories about Whiskers, spreading his message of kindness.